So you're here for payroll. Great! Follow these quick steps to get started. We've pulled together a short list of what you'll need. Your ABN, how many employees work for you, the number of days worked, and the pay cycle period for your business. Now you're ready, let's jump to it. Go total business mode now, starting with your ABN. Select your number of employees and start typing your business name. We'll then do the searching for you. Work that magnifying glass. Your business name and business legal name should auto-populate because we've pre-filled it all for you. You're welcome. Now just check your contact details are correct and make any updates needed. Simple. Next, select the standard daily work hours, work week, pay cycle period, and the industry for your business. Once you're done, click Sign Up to conclude the process. Congrats! You made it past the first step. I'd high-five you if I weren't trapped inside this screen. Next up, learn how to add an employee, including their personal and employment details. Till next time.